Hello friends. So today we will discuss the SIM hardware and SIM software, right? So in SIM hardware it comprises the following: manufacturing equipment such as CNC machines or computerized work centers, robotic work cells, DNC FMS systems, work handling and tool handling devices, storage devices, sensors, shop floor data collection devices, inspection machines etc, computers, controllers, CAD/CAM systems, workstations, terminals, data entry terminals, barcode readers, RFID टैग्स जो आजकल यूज़ करते हैं, आप देखते होंगे RFID टैग्स यूज़ करते हैं, printers, plotters and other peripheral devices, modem, cable connection etc. CIM software comprises computer programs to carry out the following functions: management information system, sales, marketing, finance, database management, modeling and design, analysis, simulation, communications, job tracking, inventory control, shop floor data collection, order entry, materials handling, device drivers, process planning, manufacturing facilities planning, workflow automation. So nature and role of the element of CI system, as you can see: marketing, product design, planning, purchase, manufacture, automated work center, warehouse, finance information. So these are the major elements of CIM system. Nature and role of the elements of CIM system. First, marketing. The need for a product is identified by the marketing division. The specification of the product, the projection of the manufacturing quantities, and strategy for marketing the product are also decided by the marketing department. Product design. The design department of the company established the initial database for production of a proposed product in a CIM system. This is accomplished through activities such as geometric modeling and computer-aided design, while considering the product requirement and concepts generated by the creativity of the design engineer. Planning. The planning department, as you can see, the planning department takes the database established by the design department and enriches, right? It will in with production data and information to produce a plan for a production of product. Planning involves several subsystems dealing with materials, facility, process, tools, manpower, capacity, scheduling, outsourcing, assembly, inspection, logistic, etc. In a CM system, this planning process should be constrained by the production cost and by the production equipment and process capability in order to generate an optimized plan. Next, purchase. The purchase department is responsible for placing the purchase order and follow up, ensure quality in the production process of the vendor, receives the item, arrange for inspection and supply the item to the stores, or arrange timely delivery depending on the production schedule for eventually supply to manufacture and assembly.